Yo, what's up, guys? Good evening. Do you live in? Uh, I live in America, so it's good morning for me. Finland. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm just gonna wait for some more people to join, and then I'll start talking. Yo, what's up? From Brazil. It's nice. Right now, I'm just kind of neutral on the market right now. We did on ES. We did take out salsa liquidity. I think I was actually in shorts from like here down to here in the morning. Uh, as of right now, we're just gonna wait till the market opens, see if we take out these highs or anything. Because honestly, if we do take out buy side right here and get a setup, that'd be nice because we're most probably gonna get a divergence with NAS RNQ. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up, fat boy? If you don't mind me asking about the stack account, how the payouts work. Okay, yeah, I'll explain it real quick. I think this is the one thing I don't really like about elite funding, but yeah, like you have your first four payouts, and like you can only get like a max of like 100K accounts, so like 2,000, I believe, per month. But after your first 4 months, I mean your first four payouts, then you can like just go like completely crazy on the account. Like you can make 30K in one day. And with the stack account, you don't have to worry about drawing. Like once you've built that, the thing with elite trader funding is that it's more harder in the beginning, but there's more benefits if once you do start making money. Because like unlike FTMO, you have a daily drawdown that they worry about every day. But on a stack account, once you build that initial capital up first, then you can literally risk 50K in one day and like not lose your account. So it's kind of like the one thing. So yeah, I guess in the short term wise, it's a bit more harder and trickier, but long term wise, I think it's a very good opportunity. Morning, morning. What's up, everyone? But like in terms of futures trading, the only reason I'm using Elite Trader funding is that there literally is no other funded broker that offers a trading on TradingView directly. So that's literally like what makes I think Elite Trader funding have a lot of value. But I did have an account with FTMO and I got funded on that. But yeah, ever since I found out about trading futures directly on TradingView, that just caught my attention. So I haven't even touched my funded account in like a month now. Uh, but yeah, I'll show you guys the trade I took this morning. Uh, okay, so this is the S&P and this is Nasdaq. So what I saw was we looked on the hourly time frame. We have this hourly fair value gap right here, and I noticed how we came into the hourly fair value gap and we were holding it, and also we can see that on Nasdaq that there was a SMT divergence. See right here, NAS was making a lower low while S&P was making a higher high. So, and the fact that we had this like little accumulation here, it showed that smart money was in play. So what I saw was that this first hourly fair value gap right here, we came up into it and we rejected off of it. And then when I woke up, I looked at the market and I saw that with an hourly fair value gap here too, and we can see that this it did reject off that. So I was looking at this hourly fair value gap right here, and you can see right here that we have a 15-minute high right here, so that can count as buy side liquidity. So we have our buy side liquidity right here, okay, and wait, was NQ looking a bit different? Oh wait, I'm tripping. And then we drop down to the 5-minute, and we can see that right here that on S&P we took out liquidity right here, and on the Nasdaq we made a lower low right here. So I looked at my charts, and right here there was a 1-minute order block here, and so right here once this order block is validated by this down move right here, came back up, and I entered into it and I targeted the sell side liquidity right here. But I got a bit early, like around right here, under this low. So that's kind of what my trade was for this morning. Yeah, let's just see what the market is up to right now. The 15-minute. I'm just gonna wait and see what market does right now. Wait, where is that message I wrote? Right here. Currently, right now, what I do see is yeah, if we can see right here that on the S&P there's a divergence right here. S&P is making a higher high while Nasdaq is making a lower low right here. So I guess that does give us in a sense bullishness, but like it's not enough data to know that if we're gonna break today's highs. Okay, yeah, S on. With an SMT divergence. With an SMT divergence. Mm, okay, so when there's an SMT divergence, technically you can play any ticker that you want, but usually you would want to play the one with the one that hunts out liquidity because ISTs and malls are more formed around the concept of taking liquidity and then taking your trades. So that's why I say that, play the one that takes out liquidity. SMT on the 15-minute. NQ the higher high. Uh, yeah, I guess NQ is making a lower, not higher high, but lower low. Or actually, this, I guess on the 1 minute, there is an S&P divergence. Right here, ES is making a lower low, while NQ is making a higher high. Let's look at a 15-minute. Let's just say hypothetically, this is a liquidity grab on NQ. I think these are both 15. Yeah, what do you call? I only really use SMT when we're like at kind of major liquidity level, but I'm not really too concerned about what the market's gonna do right now. Recent plays, 9:30 a.m. I'm dumb. I'm talking about these. The uh, wait, never mind. I am dumb. Hypothetically, I think on NQ, this fair value gap could be a good short, but this is more of like a lower probability play. So I'm not really interested in taking this short. It could work out, it may not, but I only want to trade in something I know that I have my probability and execution will be highest in. I'm just curious as to see how NQ reacts off this FVG. But I'm not dipping my hands in anything right now. Just purely watching what the market does. Hey, market is dumping a lot. Let me mark up this uh sell side on NQ. Oh, for any of you guys that don't know, I did post a thread yesterday, a more advanced version of the beginner strat using SMT divergence. So I will be using a 100K account with that newer strategy now. Yeah, what's up, Jeff? Yeah, yeah. Okay. I think if NQ does take out slow and while S&P makes a higher high, I think I'll probably try stabbing along in here. Let me just look at the higher time frame. Back on the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour, we can see that we're rejecting off this order block, 4 hour order block right here. Down to 1 hour. Hmm. Yeah, I think, yeah, we do have a daily fair value gap here, so I feel like it is possible the market might want to draw down into there. Even ICT was mentioning it. Yeah, I think we're going for the sell side liquidity first. Yeah, both today, FEG and Bounce. Wait, Fabo, you're swinging shorts, right? Holding from 38.80. Damn, bro, you're getting paid. Yeah, yeah. I am feeling bearish in the market. I feel like at the minimum, at least, go below this low. Now let's see what NQ does at this FUG. US 30 did make higher high. US 30 is so bullish for some reason. While NAS is so weak. Alright, let me just check one last time. There isn't any news. What do you call? There is no specific time frame, but what do you call? Okay, it works like this, where let's say that you buy a 100K account for $200, right? So technically, you have 1 month to trade to get to that profit target. But if you don't within that 1 month, then your account won't be taken away. You can still trade that same account and reach that profit target, but you'll have to pay that $200 fee again for the month. But in terms of a profit target time, if you're not worried about money, then it's unlimited basically. Oh, and NQ stopping this liquidity right here. Oh damn, market is just dumping. But midnight price hit. There was a good sub in Nasdaq. Or actually, oh, actually, yeah, the 3 minute had a good setup. I was actually looking. I I marked out this fair value gap because I was thinking that NQ was gonna go up here and go down short, but I want to play it either way because it's not my territory. If that's the thing. Ooh, NQ just dumped straight through. Yeah, it seems like ES is coming down. Yeah, see, Waco. That's a good sign for your shorts, Fat Boy, because once ES breaks through it, there is no S&P divergence, meaning that there is no smart money reversal in play. You mark out my draws on liquidity. Yeah, ES looks like it really wants that. Bad boy, you are getting paid right now. Yeah, yeah. Honestly, I really want to see S&P come up here, take out this liquidity right here, and then go down. But no, shit doesn't go your way all the time. Wait, you guys, let me show you the NQ sub right here. This was actually a possible sub, but I just didn't take it. Uh, wait, never mind. This isn't part of a strat. It's a more of a different, advanced version of it. Yeah, yeah, that's why I never end up taking shorts in NQ. Uh, I'll let your fine to pay every month that fee. Okay. Here's how it works. Let's say you have a 100K account, right? And it costs you $200. So what you call it's gonna cost you $200 a month until you hit that profit target or your max drawdown. And then once you do pass the first phase, then you have an elite account that'll be a live account. And on the live account, you have to pay $80 a month, but you get to keep 100% of your first $12,000. So unlike FTMO or something, you'll actually be saving more money with the $8 fee than if you were going with FTMO or my or any other broker. So yeah, the $8 a month does seem like a bit like, oh damn, I got paid monthly fee. But if you are a profitable trader, then you'll actually be saving more money. I think the thing about elite trader funding is that it's more punishing towards bad traders, and at the same time it's more rewarding towards good traders. Good morning, Nick. I actually did catch a short on my main account at like 2 hours ago, so this wasn't on stream, but so far in the stream we haven't really caught anything yet. We're just waiting to see what market does right now. Yeah, we call like the trailing drawdown system. What do you call it? It actually stops once you reach. Let's say that you have a $3,000 trailing drawdown, right? So, let's say you make $3,000 on a 100K account. So now your account's at 100,000, $103,000. That means the trailing drawdown then stops after that. So that means that if your account goes to 150,000, you can literally lose $30,000 in one day, and your account will still be there. What type of account do I have, Elite? I have the one step evaluation 100,000, and I'm using a static account for this live stream right now. 100K static account. Just realized these are equal lows in ES. Yeah, yeah, previous day low. I was just thinking that we might come up into this fair value gap and it'll send us lower. You can trade forex with Elite Trader. Like there's these like Euro futures, but me personally, if I'm gonna be trading forex, I'll just rather go with another uh something like FTMR or my forex funds to trade with. They are much better for forex. But in terms of futures trading for indices, I think I like Elite Trader funding the best. Oh, if you want to trade on MT4 or MT5, just use FTMR, my forex funds. Well, you should only use Elite Trader funding if you want to directly trade on TradingView. But besides that, I think all the other brokers are more like easier to understand and do. Yeah, yeah, I do use ICT concepts. I feel like price. I feel like price might do this today. I'm not sure, but there was SMT divergence with US 30. Yeah, I do stream daily, Monday to Friday. If I were you guys, I wouldn't be trading. I'm not really looking to trade anything, any sets right now. Yeah, there might be some possible subs, but I want like they're like lower quality subs. I want like high quality subs. Uh, Raphael, are you talking about lungs? Oh shit, I thought this was the previous angle. Yeah, you know it can reverse over here to be honest, but even so there hasn't really been any entry yet so far. Or okay, at least according to the YouTube model so far. Because this fair value gap there was no break of structure. Break of structure happened right here. Oh wait, God, the reason why I didn't want to play these longs was because there was no SMT divergence with MQ so far. So honestly, I'm gonna be looking at this block right here because this does kind of fall into our beginner strat entry, but in terms of SMT divergence, we do have SMT divergence with US 30 though. Oh, we actually did uh right here. There's equal lows right here, and we did. I would honestly like to see go a bit lower, but it end up coming up a bit higher. We, oh yeah, you are right. There is actually SMT right here. I am dumb. Yeah, but it doesn't matter either ways. Just flying through. Yeah, price is on drugs right now. Honestly, I'm pretty sure if anyone did want to play this long, there literally was no entry. Unless you went below 1 minute, but usually 1 minute is the lowest we should be going then. Yeah, this could be an entry, but this was in a premium, and we only want to be taking longs and a discount of the move. Honestly, I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled and see what price does at these liquidities right here, because we can have an interesting short. Can, but I don't know. I'm just kind of neutral on the market right now in terms of bias. Yeah, no trade so far. I'm just. I mean, there was some possible trade entries, but those are all like low quality subs. I don't take high quality subs. How many screens do I have? I have 3 screens, but for charting at least, I only have this screen, and then on my other screen, I have this to show me all the US 30 right here, S&P and Nasdaq over here to see S&P divergences, but it's not really that much of a big deal. I have a streaming software open on one of my monitors, and on my other monitor, I have YouTube, Twitter, and Discord open. Do I look at the dollar? I do look at it here and there, but I don't really use it that much to influence my trading. Bro, do you have a Discord? No, no, I don't have a Discord. I am planning to. You actually watched the video I uploaded yesterday. At the end of the video, I do mention something about the Discord, about like top tier traders and stuff. Yeah, let's see what market does once we get up here. Which ticker and source? Uh, I use this one, US 30, Dow Jones, Industrial Average, Currency.com. Yeah, I do see the market maker buy model here. Original accumulation. Then it can be longs here. Some distribution right here, and they're gonna distribute over these highs. David, let me tell you a bit about my ICT journey. So like in like beginning of 2020 is when I first started trading, and obviously I was in like retail concepts and stuff. So like I blew so much money, and then at the end of 2020, I finally found like a swing strategy, and I made like a few thousand dollars off. I think in total I made like $15,000 and stuff with retail and like holding shares and stuff. But then obviously the market started going down, so I lost all that money. I blew all my money away and everything. And then in but then at the end of 2021, I had this AI that would or this bot that would find options from like big money and stuff. And I'll just follow those options, and I started making some money off that. And then and then it stopped. It didn't really give that much alerts in 2022, and like I kind of started blowing money trying to trade all these retail consoles and stuff. And then thankfully, I found out about ICT, so I started grinding so much on ICT, and after 2 months of learning ICT, then I finally started seeing consistency in my trading. And so Waco right now in probability it's been like 3 months now so far. So my journey, so yeah, I'm not like some like millionaire trader or something like because I'm 21. I mean 20 or 21 myself. So I'm not really that old, and like I still have a long journey ahead of me, but I wanna just grow alongside with y'all and do this stuff. I think I do have enough knowledge to like on Twitter give you guys advice and stuff in terms of like learning the concepts, but yeah, other than that, like I never intend to selling similar stuff, and like I want to live stream all this stuff, share the journey with you guys on the live stream. But in terms of money wise, I'm definitely doing above average. People my age. Yeah, man. I was grinding so hard at it, like 3 or 4 hours a day, just pure ICT, consistently every day. You know the thing, I feel like the most annoying part about the ICT journey is that when you see ICT take a trade and like you have no clue why he took it, and it just makes you mad that you can't find out why he took it. I think that's like the most frustrating part about this journey. But other than that, I guess you just learn most from experience. So I'd be journaling all my trades and stuff and live recording them. And I think that's what put, put me a foot ahead of other people. Uh oh, bro, I spent a shit ton of money on Discord, bro. I think overall in my trading career, I've spent like 2 or 3 thousand on just like Discord subscriptions and stuff and courses. If you guys know this guy, Paladin, he had like a course for like $300, and he had a private Discord on that, and I really want to trade, be in that trading Discord to see what those other people were doing, to get to meet those people and stuff. So yeah, I got access with them, and the one thing I noticed was that I'm also in a free IC community, and then there's this paid IC community that's $300 payment. And the one thing I noticed in the free community, there's just random people coming and going, and like providing no value, and like just random people like who think they're profitable, and they'll be giving advice. Versus the $300 one, it's people who either they understand where they are, and then there's high quality people, people who have like high potential to do good in the market, or they're either making a lot of money. And that's the one thing I really liked about that Discord. Okay, we are about to take out buy sell liquidity. Yeah. Oh, you know what the best idea to do is having two accounts or multiple accounts. You have one account you have where you trade a strategy that you know that works, and you just trade strictly according to rules on that account. And then you have another account where you can take like stupid trades, or like you can take trades if you're trying a new strategy or anything. Okay, I am really liking this right now. If we do take out right here, we will have SMT divergence with Nasdaq. How long does it take you to understand free IC concepts? It took me 2 months to set consistency, but the thing is, I was only using like one specific strategy, and we kind of right now I am trying to learn the more advanced IC concepts and stuff. But wait, yeah, I do have a separate account for that, just to like try out new strategies and stuff. Yeah, David. Wait, there was actually like someone who just DM'd me on Twitter, and he's a charter member, and he's asking me for like a one-on-one session. While me, it's been less than a year for me to be in ICT. Like everyone's journey is different. Some people learn faster than others. I guess with me, it's that I had such a bad desire. I just wanted more than other people. Yeah, I feel like everyone should start off with the 2022 mentorship and then watch the core content and then go back and rewatch the 2022 mentorship because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm done with all the core content and I'm just trying to. I've actually been trading watching the 2022 mentorship again. Do you only trade the 22 mentorship? No, no, I use more of the core content stuff like order blocks and everything, breakers, BPRs. Am I not using the five? I use it. I use every time frame. Yeah, I think Twitter is such a good place to learn. You know why, dude, guys? For me, I delete TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. I delete all my social media, and I only have Twitter. And I'm only following like good IC traders and stuff, and that drop have a lot of knowledge and stuff. So wake up, create this environment around me where there's no outside distraction. I'm just having a full focus on ICT itself. Uh, BPR means balanced price range. For example, right here. Okay, yeah, I can show you balanced price range right now, actually. So a balanced price range is basically two FPGs overlapping each other. It's like a basic definition of it. So right here, you'll notice that there was no balanced price range down here in these FPGs, and you'll notice how it specifically only came down right here to a balanced price range before it went even higher. Okay, taking we are at the liquidity. I'm interested to see what the market gives us. Yeah, yeah, fat boy. Partials are such a underrated concept. Oh yeah, I do see that 1 hour order block. I'm from Pakistan. Pakistan. Well, I mean because I was raised in America, so I don't really have the accent I mean, I can try giving the accent if you want. Hey man, what are you doing? Sorry, how's that weird? Nah, I only go by Phantom. Okay, I think we are looking super good to go short. SMT divergence with Nasdaq. ES took out liquidity. Yeah, yeah. My parents were from Pakistan, and then they immigrated here in America. So I am super thankful about that. Yeah, yeah. Like, I was raised in America, so I have an American accent. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm gonna either we can for this order block, but me personally, I'm gonna be using a fair value gap to be honest. Damn, February, so you're just taking shorts straight up. Okay, I'm really liking the trade right now. We do get a break of structure right here. Yeah, we're waiting for displacement right now. I want to see displacement right now, and I'm gonna have an entry right here. Okay, we have displacement right here. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm only gonna go with 50. I mean, only 50% of my risk. So I'm only gonna be risking half right now, half size, and then once we get another confirmation, then I will stack my other entry. Okay, market just doesn't just dumping. There was actually a 1 minute order block entry right here, the highest green candle right here. We had a close below the green candle, and right here on this wick, we touched the body. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this sell limit. Uh, yeah, this 5 minute order block is actually valid too, to be honest. Actually, I'm just gonna play this 5 minute order block to be honest. This could nice 3.9 R trade. It's only if it comes back up into it though. But by the way, guys, I'm not in yet. I'm just waiting. So yeah, I think I might just put my stop a bit higher. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna have it the 5-minute order block, to be honest. Yeah, cream order. I'm only going to half risk. Just hope price does come back up. Okay, I'm gonna have to reevaluate my entry here. Wait, because there is a 15-minute order block right here. I just hope price does come back up because this is looking like such a good trade. Look at the hourly OB. Uh, Price is running away. Yeah, there's a very clean mentorship model. So I'm looking at entering with 2 contracts, and then I'll try looking in for another contract to enter after. Where really go short? Ideally, I'm looking at this 15-minute order block right here. So ideally, I would want it to come back up into this 15-minute order block so I can go short in here. But I feel like If we miss an entry, then it's all right. Because like wake up right here, there's also a long entry right here. I mean, not entry, but a long model right here, but there wasn't really an entry. But you are one lucky motherfucker. For real, Chris, bro. Damn, pull back out for us. Damn, but this 1 minute order block right here is getting paid. Because right here, it closes below this order block, and then this candle right here, it comes back up and just touches the body of the candle and dumps completely. Yeah, yeah, Rafa, I saw that, bro. Crazy. But Waco, having good analysis is one thing, and then execution is another thing. Waco, the thing about friends, you know what my idea on friends is that people think that it's cool having a lot of friends, but you know what's actually cool? Having less friends that are insanely high quality. Like even me, I don't have that many friends, but the friends I do have, these are all like hardworking individuals, people that I know have insane potential, and that's what pushes me to become a better version of myself. Oh, guys, maybe he might come up here. Maybe, bro. Just that is facts, bro. I'll take 4 quarters or 100 pennies any day. I just hope it at least comes back up high enough for my entry. For okay, you know what you call what you're using? I mean, what was it? We go whatever your maximum drawdown is, only make it to where your position sizing is no less than 1/10 of your max drawdown. So that way you need to lose 10 times in a row in order to get stopped out or lose your challenge. Or what's your bias on a daily? I don't really have any bias right now because we've already delivered to a PD array on a daily time frame. So right now I'm just neutral on the market. I guess more short-term wise, I am bearish because if we look at the daily, we do have these fair value gaps down here. So it'd be nice if the market came back down to touch these. The FX cap, I explained all of it like earlier in my stream, so I guess you can just watch the recording of the stream and you'll see. I'm using the 15-minute order block as my entry right here. Last reactive daily OB. Okay. So for me at least, when I see an order block, I don't really care about the wick. I only care about what it does after it hits the body. Like if you look at the S&P, like like look, there's a daily order block right here, right on the S&P. But notice how when we first came into the wick of the order block, it just went straight through. It wasn't until it hit this body of the order block is where it reacted off of. So generally, when it comes to order blocks, I look at the body of the order block. Remember, the top of an order block, the top of the body of the order block is the most sensitive part of the order block. That's where I've seen price react. Like, for example, on the 1 minute, right here, this order block right here. Notice how price just touches the top exactly of the order block and just completely dumps. Oh, guys, are we gonna get an entry here? Guys, honestly, I'm only gonna keep it at one. I'm only gonna enter 1/3 of my position, to be honest, and then I'll stack my entries if uh as we come more down. It's not that it's low probability. I am confident in myself, but there'll be a lot of times where you are confident in yourself and it just might not work out. So this is a good way to like limit your loss where we call instead of entering right away your full position, you only enter a small amount and you just build your position over time on like smaller like order blocks or like fair value gaps that are left. That way, let's say for example this trade is a loss. I'm only lose one third of my position, but if it is profitable, if this play does work out and I get my entry, then I can just build my entries, and also get that big profit margin, you know? All right, bro. Uh, to be decided. Yeah, I really hope we get an entry. Man, I guess it's just one of those days, huh? Then even on a 5 minutes. Wait, let me look at this. Even on a 5 minute, it didn't come back to the 5 minute fair value. I mean, you can play that or block if you want to, but the thing is, with this trade idea overall, it can still go up here before it might make a move lower. But wake up, we were watching last kill. We were looking for shorts right here, but we never got our entry. I did take a trade this morning at uh like 7 a.m. New York time, Eastern time. But on stream so far, we haven't gotten any entries yet. As that what you call, I mean, you can play the ore block if you want on the 5 man right here, but that's more of a higher risk play, because there's a possibility that I might get stopped out, but it might go up here in reverse, and my trade idea might be still be right. But we see when it comes to me is not. I don't really care if I miss an entry. All I care about is just making money over a time period. I'll care about how much money I make in a month, but I won't care about how much money I'll make in a day. Because you're gonna have some losing days, some winning days. So trading is just a game of patience. Honestly, should I take a short here? I don't know. No, I'm not. I'm just forcing a play. Honestly, this does look like it's gonna work out for a short, but I'm not. I'm not gonna force any trades. It's a beginner's mindset. Yeah, I saw that. This is a possible short entry, but I'm not taking it. I mean, you guys can go short here if you want to, but do it with lighter size because there is still a chance that we can just go back up here. Honestly, I will just go short one contract to be honest. But I'm in very light size to be honest. I'm very light size. There could be a chance we might get stopped out. Yeah, this is a higher risk short. I'm only risking like $30 in a trade, so it's only like one third of my size. Okay, wake up. The reason why I kind of did want to go short here is because we have a market maker sell model. And we did have some distribution here, and with the market maker sell model, ideally, I don't think that we should break above this, and we should go down here to distribute to offset the shorts. Hey, guys, by the way, yeah, the 1 minute FEG, but I'm in light size, so even if this does work out, I'm not gonna make that much money. There's a very high chance that I might get stopped out. I mean, not high chance, but there is a chance that I might get stopped out and the trade still does end up coming down here. Yeah, I went short on this 1 minute FPG. I think with the way that we're moving stars right here, I think we're gonna explosive move to the downside. Kind of like this move right here, or this move. But after we hit this, I'm probably gonna call it a day for the live stream. After this. Once we break down below this right here, I'm gonna move my stop loss to like right here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on my first short idea. Yeah, I got stopped other. Okay, I am gonna be looking for another short to get in my original idea. How much loss did I take on that? Oh, damn, took a lot of loss on that. That was only like $30. It means I can always half my position, you know. I'm gonna have one limit order here. Honestly, the one thing that scares me about this trade is that we do look. So we did come back into 50% retracement. So my only fear is that we may, but in terms of bias, I'm just kind of 50-50 right now, to be honest. Price does hit TP without getting our entry in. That will suck, I guess. The fact that if we do have TP, the fact that I got stopped up by like 25, what, like a one move, one point move, not 1 point, I mean 25-cent move. It's gonna suck. Uh, 40 minutes for the entry. Honestly, I will be kind of annoyed if we walk away. We hit one session, taking a loss. Going to be honest, fat boy, you're on your own on that one. I don't really like swing that much, so I'm more of like a day trader. Alright, see ya, bro. Yeah, I'm kind of getting tired. Look at the screen too. I want to see what the market does. Yeah, the unfortunate part of trading is that you only learn through your losses. But the what separates a good trader and a bad trader is what they do with their losses. Do they just get emotional over it, or they just analyze what their mistake was and see what they can improve on? Honestly, I'm just gonna take my limit order off because with the market maker sell model, I don't think that we're gonna break these highs, and if we do, then there could be a chance the trade might be a failure and just might go higher. But yeah, right now it does suck. Stopped out, honest. I mean, I know I shouldn't have taken a trade, but I guess I did lower, so I didn't really take that much of a loss. Or actually, I was supposed to get $30 loss, but then I guess that I was doing a market order. I got stopped after like $55 loss, so that sucks a lot. But you know, all we need is just one winner. One winner will make up all our losses. To be honest. Yeah, I feel like we should come down into the daily for a value gap. Yeah, honestly, on days where I don't really have a bias, yeah, it's just I just usually just keep my trading light and yeah. Yeah, but all right, guys. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not, I only think we're gonna come back up here. If our bias is right that if we're bearish, we should just come down and break through the lows. All right, adios, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.